Good day, friends. It is me, HL ModTech, and I've been creating all these awesome GeoFS Fun Flights. Friends, I've got some tips if you want to try and solve them. So let's get cracking. All right, friends, so this is Fun Flight 5, and no one has guessed where it is yet. I've got it muted. You can see I do have my tube buddy up here, and I'm going to hit play, and I'm just going to give you a tip as this is flying through. You should always be watching for big landmarks like hills and golf courses, maybe large roads, and then right there, pause. I'm going to back this up just a tiny bit. Friends, that's your huge clue. Whenever you see a shadow, that is a monument that is in that area that should make it a little bit easier for you to figure out. Now this one also has a river beside it, and it is crazy large. That can also be an awesome clue, and if you connect the dots with the roads and the bridges, that can also really clarify where it is we're looking at. I'm going to hit play and let this keep flying. Maybe there are other landmarks like these lakes that can make it clear to you. And then I also like to fly over buildings that may mean something to you if you follow a sports team. Here you can see I've skipped ahead a little bit. And once again, as we fly over this large river, you can see the shadows of the bridge. That lets you know what the bridge looks like. And right here is a sports stadium close to a road that may clue you in, obviously it's a baseball stadium, to where this location is. I'm going to let the plane fly again as it's going across this large river. Once again, these shadows really help you know what type of bridge you're seeing and all the other cool things that are happening in these videos. I'm trying to not make them too easy, but I do also appreciate when you solve them. Don't forget you can give me answers in the comments below. You can also just ask for tips like, is it in a certain country, is it in a certain state, as you narrow it down to get your final answer. You are also welcome to visit HLModTech.com, and you can use the messaging service to shoot me your name, email, and submit an answer, or just ask for more tips there. Just make sure you've got an email I can write back to so I can help you figure it out. Alrighty, friends, so hopefully that makes it easier for us to get some successful answers. Friends, don't forget, if you haven't tried TubeBuddy, there is a link in the description. Give it a test. You'll be amazed how many cool things you can do, even with the free version. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HL ModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.